back at home, and so, whoa, there's a cat in my house. Oh, well, I might introduce myself. Hey. Ah, that's weird. Well, when I got home, I did not see that coming. For that cat to come here. Why are you here? Where did you come from? How old is she? I don't know. Oh? I do not know what to do about the cat. So, I might just have to take care of it or get it out of the house. I mean, you know what? Just let's go buy some stuff at the store. Well, I am going to go buy some stuff at the store immediately in the video. So I got from this store, and I got a scratching post. No, I got a scratching post and this little box. And a bag. And well, that's all. Some toys. I have to take care of this cat. I guess I'm going to have to take care of it. Oh, jeez. What is it doing? Well, it turns out that I am going to take care of it. So, I guess. And, well, it's normally how I'm going to do it. So, well, I guess I do this.